Hello, everyone. It is late at night, I know, but this is the time I got to it, so this is the time it's going to happen. And that's the best thing about Facebook Live and YouTube. You can watch it whenever, because I know you guys are just as busy as I am. I mean, tomorrow's Christmas Eve. Get real, right? So today's topic is, did you know that Disney World can be a luxurious vacation also? I bet you didn't know that, because I didn't, and I grew up around Disney World, and I thought I knew all the ins and outs, but I didn't. So I got a whole bunch of notes here to talk to you and show you some interesting facts about Disney World, that you can not just go to Disney World and enjoy princess waffles and snow cones and all the good stuff you normally have. If you have the cash, you can actually have an ultra luxurious vacation at Disney World. Listen to this. Did you know that you can actually rent a yacht to watch the Disney World fireworks at night? You can. Did you know that you can have a private wedding at Disney World? Some of you probably knew about that. You can do that. Did you know that you can have Beluga Caviar at Disney World 10 feet away from the Dole Whip stand? Now, not just anybody can order the Beluga Caviar, because some of these special events are part of what is called the Disney Crown Collection. Now, the Disney Crown Collection are these luxurious options that people can do. They can rent the whole park for one night for themselves or their family or a group. They can get a private tour of Cinderella's castle. You can have a wedding there, like I said before. One of the most common ways to experience Disney in a luxurious manner is to hire a VIP tour guide. Now, if you've been to Disney World a lot, you may have seen them. They wear this green and red tartan outfit, and they have little signs, and they usually got a group of about 5 or 6 people. Usually it's one family. It's not a big group. And they're called VIP tour guides. And one of my friends is actually trained in this and does the VIP tours. So that's pretty cool. But what's the price to hire a VIP tour guide? Well, it starts at $3,000 a day. But guess what? That doesn't include your admission ticket. So you've got to have your admission ticket. There's an expected gratuity, of course, but just the rate itself is $3,000 a day. So who would pay $3,000 a day? Well, listen to all the cool stuff you get with a VIP tour guide. I got my notes here. Number one, you never wait for anything ever. And if you've ever been in a fast pass line at Disney World, they're fantastic, but the general ticket holder gets 3 fast passes to use for the whole day. If you have a VIP tour guide, you have a fast pass with you. Okay, so they go to a special queue and they go past all the fast pass people. So there's no waiting ever. You actually get reserved seating at the best places to view the parade. And the VIP tour guide will even go and bring you a coffee to where you're sitting and watching the parade if that's what you need. You also get the best insider information that you've ever heard about Disney that everybody has. So again, $3,000 a day for your VIP tour guide. However, everybody who was interviewed for this article that I'm quoting from, who paid for the tour guide, said that it was worth every penny, that they felt like they didn't waste a minute, and they got insider access. They got into wherever they wanted to eat. They were straight in there, no waiting, never waited on a ride, knew every place, all the shortcuts, all that. So that's level one, okay? Part of the Disney Crown Collection is you can get a VIP tour guide, okay? Now, next level up from that is Disney actually has club level dining rooms and custom tours that you can buy, okay? So you don't have to eat with the riffraff like the rest of us. You can eat in a club level dining room at Disney World. Now, let's go another level up. Did you know that Disney has its own private club? It's called Club 33, okay? Club 33 initiation fees begin at $30,000, and the annual dues for these clubs are $15,000 a year. So if you're a real Disney-phile and you want the luxurious experience all the time, you can join Club 33. And there is a similar club with a different name for Disneyland in California. The one at Disney World is Club 33. And there are a trio of club level dining rooms throughout the park where only Club 33 people can dine. They always have a VIP tour guide with them. They don't have to mix with the rest of us. So there is this ultra luxurious Disney World inside the Disney World park. So first we talked about anyone can hire a VIP tour guide or purchase a Disney Crown Collection experience, okay? Those are what a lot of people can purchase. Then there's the private Club 33 that's kind of up there, maybe for Beyonce and those kinds. But if you're really into Disney, you can go a level above because now Disney World has its own subdivision, if you'd call it that, of mini mansions or McMansions as they're sometimes called. And this is called Golden Oaks, okay? So at Golden Oaks, you can purchase your own mansion, which comes with a lifetime membership of free admission to any Disney park. Isn't that interesting? So you buy a house. I mean, these are people, you're talking real Disney, right? $2 million is the starting price of these mini mansions in Golden Oaks. But they also come, like I said, with free admission to all the parks, your own VIP tour guide, and those are the people that get the Beluga Caviar instead of the Dole Whips that the rest of us are enjoying at Disney. Now, I'm perfectly happy with the Dole Whips, but I really thought this was interesting because when most of us think of Disney, we think of the crowds and the lines and all of that and trying to figure out how to get into the most, the most rides and how to use your fast passes fast. But there is a whole world above that for people that want to see Disney. So it's not just us average people that want Disney. Evidently, the very rich also enjoy Disney, just on a different level than we do. But don't worry. There is one thing that I thought I would bring to you guys that might be something that you would want to add to your Disney vacation that was reasonable. It's not in the $2 million price range. It's not in the $30,000 price range. It's $349 a person. So this is actually something you might want to consider adding to your Disney vacation that would give you a little bit of that extra special feeling of Disney. And this is called the Delicious Disney. Delicious Disney is kind of a secret. It's not really put out there. Call your travel agent, okay? But you can participate in Delicious Disney. It is a monthly, once a month, circle of dinners that are created by the chefs at Disney. And it's a private dinner, very small group. And the chefs actually come out with you. They present the food. They help you choose. They explain things. And it's all a dedication to Disney. So the dinners are all around Disney cuisine and Disney characters. And again, $349 a person. So if you're not ready for the $3,000 a day VIP tour or the $30,000 initiation fee for Club 33 or the $2 million purchase price of a mini mansion at Golden Oaks, maybe you'd like to try a $349 dinner at Delicious Disney. Maybe. I just wanted you to know that these options were out there because I love Disney and a lot of us love Disney. So have a great day. Thanks for listening. Can you believe that? Isn't that wild? So Disney tickets, when I was young, they were paper tickets and they were in a book. And they were A, B, C, D, and E tickets. And so you had, usually you'd purchase a book of either 10 or 20 or 30 tickets. The prices were according to that. And you'd have 4 or 5 A tickets. And A tickets were for little rides like the carousel or the little carriage that carries you from the entrance down Main Street, small rides. Peter Pan's Wild Flight. And the E tickets were for things like Space Mountain or the Haunted Mansion or a big ride. And so that's what in my generation, we old people, we would say, wow, that was really good. That was like an e-ticket ride. So now you know an old phrase from Disney history. An e-ticket ride refers to something really, really good. So have a great night. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.